Hi there. Thank you for your interest in the Vision Workshop. If you have found yourself here, you probably have an idea what this program is about. But if you don't, I'm here to personally invite you and welcome you to an opportunity to receive your clarity, your power, and your path forward. If you don't know me, my name is Sonja Miller, and I'm a speaker, coach, and best-selling author. And with this particular two-part workshop, I really wanted to provide an opportunity for anyone who is feeling anxious, unsettled, ungrounded, lost, like you don't know what you want, like you don't know how to look ahead. You certainly can't make any plans because we live in a time and space right now that is so unpredictable in the world, at least seemingly so. It always is unpredictable, but now it feels that way more than ever. So yes, we do live in a time of uncertainty, and there's a lot going on the planet everywhere you look. And so I wanted to offer an opportunity to really help people know that just because you can't predict or can't control the outer world, we actually never can, but now it's really up for us. It doesn't mean you have to feel powerless. You actually can feel more powerful than ever before because it's an opportunity to really see in technicolor that your source of peace, your source of safety, your North Star is not in the outer world. It's actually in your inner world. All of your answers are within. And while many of us can have heard that before, you might hear from teachers and guides and mentors and even gurus who say your answers are within. It's a nice idea, but a lot of us don't even know how to actually access those answers. Well, the Vision Workshop is actually something that launched, that actually birthed my work as a coach. It was kind of downloaded to me directly. I went through the process myself, and then I offered a workshop, and it was, I guess, so compelling that it was sold out. And I had standing room only and a waiting list, and then I offered it again. This is back in the early 90s, standing room only again. And not only did people find tremendous clarity and peace and confidence and an understanding of how to access those answers from your inner soul's wisdom, but they came away with a vision for their lives or for a particular area of life. And once that clarity came into place, once they could own it because it came from within rather than looking outside for the answers, the kinds of things that they started manifesting was amazing. Whether it's a relationship or a job or money solutions or a home, and even a new relationship with their bodies where they were able to make some progress. And that's what I'm offering to you. Like I said, now more than ever, when the world feels less predictable than ever, imagine being able to access your own inner North Star. So I hope you'll join me. This is limited to 25 people. It is 1 month of support with me through a secret Facebook group. You'll have a workbook. You'll have 2 3-hour workshops on October 7th and 14th. It's actually one workshop broken up into two segments. And you will come away with everything that I just talked about. Confidence, peace, your inner North Star, really clear for you, as well as a clear vision for your path forward, whatever's most important to you. So take a look around and feel free to ask any questions in the contact links below. $97 for a very special opportunity. I hope you'll join me. I really wanted to make it accessible, and I'm really passionate about offering this to anyone who feels they need it or want it. Please tell your friends too. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye.